Today, we will share with you the top 5 tips for making money in a recession. Times may be tough, but with the right strategies, you can thrive and succeed. The first tip is to diversify your income. Relying on a single source of income is risky, especially during a recession. Look for additional streams of revenue. Maybe it's starting a side hustle or investing in stocks. Multiple income sources provide stability and security. Next, identify new demands. During a recession, consumer needs and preferences shift. Pay attention to emerging trends and adapt accordingly. Maybe there is a demand for affordable technology or essential services. Stay ahead of the game by offering what people really need. Now, let's talk about frugality. During tough times, every penny counts. Evaluate your expenses and cut back on unnecessary purchases. Find creative ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. By being thrifty, you'll have more funds available for investments or emergencies. Speaking of investments, tip number 4 is to invest wisely. A recession can be an opportunity for long-term investments at discounted prices. Educate yourself about different investment options, such as real estate or stocks. Seek advice from financial experts and make informed decisions. Lastly, build strong networks. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who motivate and inspire you. Collaborate with others in your industry or join professional organizations. Your network can provide valuable insights, opportunities, and support during challenging times. You now have the insider secrets to prosper during a recession. Remember to diversify your income, identify new demands, focus on frugality, invest wisely, and build strong networks. With these strategies, you can thrive and succeed even in tough times. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep striving for success.